You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905 812 2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to scenario number 4, implementing problem management in Jira service management. Let's move ahead and perform this scenario. To perform this scenario, we first need to log in using our primary account. As you can see, I am logged in using my primary account. We'll click on top left corner and we'll go to Jira Service Management. We'll go to space setting of NetSoft IT Service Management. In left panel, click on Features and then enable Problem Management. To enable Problem Management, scroll down. Enable Problem Management, scroll down, enable Change Management and enable Customer Sentiment Analysis. This one. We'll enable Customer Sentiment Analysis. Okay. After enabling Problem Management, Change Management and Customer Sentiment Analysis, let's move ahead and perform the next step. To perform next step, we'll again in space setting in left panel, we are going to expand request management, and under request management we will look for work types. We'll click on work types. This is work types. On top right corner of work types, click on action. Click on actions. See, this is work types, work item types, work types. On top right corner, click on actions and click on edit work types. Now on work types, work items, top right corner, click on add issue types. Add issue type. We are going to name it as problem and description would be root cause analysis. Root cause analysis. Select standard issue type and then click on add. Scroll down. In left panel, you should see problem under request type. Okay. Click on save. Done. Refresh this page. Refresh the page. Click on request management. Request management. Under request management, if request type is not expanded, click on this arrow to expand request type. And here you will see problems. Click on problem. And then on top right corner, we are going to click create request type. Create from template. In select a request type, select IT. And then we are going to select investigate a problem. Click on select investigate a problem. Locate investigate a problem. It should be in first row. Click on select. And then we need to select common request. We have selected investigation. In portal group, we will select common request. And in work type, we will select problem. Okay. Now, click on add. Now this work type is added. This was step number 2 that we have performed. To perform next step, which is step number 3, we need to log in as Brian Tracy. Let's move ahead and perform the step. Here I am logged in as Brian Tracy in an incognito window. Home.atlassian, and if you can see Brian Tracy. Okay. Now we'll open Jira Service Management, top left corner, Jira Service Management, and we'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management. On Help Center portal, we'll click on Get IT Help. Okay, this is NetSoft portal that you can see. Okay, NetSoft portal. Under Computers, click on Computers. We are going to click on Get IT Help, and we'll give a summary. Unable to access internal application due to network disconnection. Scroll down, give that same description in the description as well, and then click on Send. Okay, ensure that a incident is generated. Okay, it is generated. We'll click on top right corner and we'll go to the profile, top right corner, click on request. Here we have a new request generated, which is NISM 6. Let's add that. This is scenario number 4. NISM-4. Let's move ahead. Okay, so this is done. Now we will close this window. To perform next step, we are going to log in as Bill Walsh. Let's move ahead and log in as Bill Walsh. I am logged in as Bill Walsh, and this is home.atlassian. We'll go to Jira Service Management, top right corner, top left corner, next to home, click on Jira Service Management. Click on NetSoft IT Service Management. And under Queue, we are going to click on All Open. Here we have a request generated. We are going to click on this request, and very first step, yes, assign to me. Remember, assigning request should be your first step as per the recommendation and best practice from ITIL. Now, once you assign the request, under activity, reply to customer and mention that acknowledged. Click on save. Now we are going to change the priority to high, urgency to high, impact is significant large. Now let's move ahead and perform the next step. To perform the next step, we need to log in as Brian Tracy. Here I am logged in as Brian Tracy in an incognito window. Let's open Jira Service Management, top left corner, next to Home, Jira Service Management. Top right corner, click on Profile, click on Request, and then click on the request. Here if you see, acknowledged, okay. Now let's move ahead and perform the next step. To perform next step, we need to again log in as Bill Walsh. Close this window and I will go back to that same window here. Now under activity, we'll click on reply to customer. We have escalated the request. Click on save. Now we need to change the status from waiting for support to escalated. From waiting for support, we will click on escalate, and then without any comment, we are following the instructions as per the scenario. Click on escalate. Now, let's move ahead and perform next step. In next step, we are going to create a problem ticket. To create a problem ticket, click on create next to search text box or search bar. Okay, click on create. Work type, we are going to select problem, and this request is raised on behalf of Brian Tracy. Scroll down. In description, in summary, we are going to mention frequent network disconnection impacting multiple users. Same definition. Now, let's move ahead. Investigation reason, we will give high impact incident, which is already there, and then urgency is medium, impact is moderate, and then we will click on create. Done. In the left panel, expand problems, click on default, click on open. We have one problem generated. We will open this problem request, and then we are going to link work item. Click on in the center of middle panel, work item. Let me show it to you. Open this request. Work item is over here. Click on work item. Once you click on work item, you are over here. Linked work item relates to, so this work item relates to, here we are going to search that same incident which is unable to access internal. Let me show it to you. Unable to access internal application due to network disconnection. Done. And then we are going to click on link. In middle panel of problem request, scroll down, and then we are going to click on add internal note. We'll say hardware failure has been ruled out. Okay, click on save. Done. Very important step. Now we need to click on assign to me. So now this request is assigned to Bill Walsh. We'll change the status from open to in progress, or you see over here start progress, which is in progress. Now let's move ahead and perform the next step. In the middle panel, if you see under the link item, it is changed to escalated. So now the incident is escalated. We will change it to in progress. In progress, in internal note, we will mention checking for the Cisco adversaries. Checking for Cisco adversaries. Okay. Click on in progress. Click on in progress. Now this request is also in progress. You have a comment over here. We will again do one thing. Click on add internal note. We'll add this again. Checking for the Cisco adversaries. Click on save. It's over here. Now let's move ahead and perform the next step. Resolve linked incident. In the middle panel, if you see under linked work item, we will change the incident status from in progress to resolve this issue. In resolution, we will select done and we'll click on reply to customer. Issue is resolved. Click on resolve this issue. Now, if you see, the status is changed to resolved. Now let's move ahead and close the problem ticket. So this is problem ticket. If you see, this is problem ticket that we have created. Top right corner, click on in progress and click on resolve issue. Select done. Reply to customer. Issue is resolved. Issue is resolved. Click on resolve. Now, if you see over here, the problem ticket or problem request is also resolved. Click on resolved and click on close issue. Click on close issue. Click on close issue again. This is done. Now, very last part of our scenario is to log in again as Brian Tracy and we will see the status of our request. I have an incognito window where I am logged in as Brian Tracy. From here, we will open Jira Service Management. Brian Tracy, top left corner, click on Jira Service Management. Top right corner, click on Profile. Click on Request. Here you won't see any request because it is resolved. Let's change the filter from the menu over here. Click on Closed and check Open. This is the one that we have. Unable to access internal application due to network disconnection. Issue is resolved. We have this resolved. With this, we have completed scenario number 4. That's it for this scenario. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.